The CSIRO team has the experience, the history, the knowledge, having been one of the sites that was used during the Apollo program. The 64-meter dish that we're going to use, the Parkes Observatory itself, was used during the Apollo moon missions in communication with the astronauts on the surface.
We copy you down, Eagle.
They have the history, they have a legacy there, they have personnel who are world-class in terms of deciding how best to set up the dish for us to use for our unmanned lander as well. The CSIRO organization is well set up to work with radio astronomers around the world, with NASA. So for us to come to them as a commercial lunar operations organization was a very easy transition for them to have us become a potential user of their resource. So we worked with them over the past year to establish what we needed in terms of technical requirements, and they very quickly helped us work out a long-term arrangement to use their dish for each of our missions for the next several years. We are the first to have the opportunity to go back to the moon. We got the first CLPS award, and so we've been developing this network of dishes that would be available to a commercial company. Otherwise, you're going to governments and saying, can we use your assets for this lunar mission? We went off and found dishes that were commercially available. We don't rely upon NASA's network, which was a request from NASA to not rely on them and try to overutilize their systems. So we want to use their dish hopefully several times a year to speak to our vehicles on the moon and help bring back data from the lunar surface.